Hello, and welcome to today's book reading class. This video tutorial is designed to encourage you to pick up a copy of this book and read it. Today, we'll look at The Five Find-Outers and Dog, also known as The Five Find-Outers and Dog, another wonderful adventure mystery children's book series. The author is Enid Blyton. The Five Find-Outers and Dog in their community of Peterswood, on Bourne End, near Marlow, Buckinghamshire, solve a mystery almost every school holiday. The five find-outers are Fatty, Larry, Pip, Daisy, and Bets. Buster, Fatty's dog, is also present. They generally solve the case before Mr. Goon, the local village cop who, much to their displeasure, continually interferes with their investigations. Superintendent Jenks, a friend of the five find-outers. The Mystery of the Strange Bundle is the title of today's book. It was first released in 1952. It is the 10th book of the Five Find-Outers' 15-part mystery series. This narrative is intriguing to read, and it has a lovely mysterious vibe to it. However, rather than a thorough study, it relies mainly on a series of coincidences. Why was there a doll in the strange bundle hidden in the river? When the milkman informs Larry of a heist at the Cedars, which is only 2 doors away from Larry and Daisy's home, Larry is overjoyed. A mystery is something that the find-outers adore. Nobody knows if Mr. Fellows of the Cedars was home at the time of the robbery, but he hadn't returned. When Mr. Fellows returns home, however, he claims that no robbery took place. He also stated that he did not want the police investigating something that had not occurred. What does it all imply, exactly? Fatty demonstrates another of his talents, ventriloquism, in this adventure. Ventriloquism is the art of talking with the tongue and not moving the mouth or face, which creates the illusion that their voice is coming from elsewhere. The major plot centers around a missing ventriloquist's dummy in which are hidden highly vital lists of traitors, which is quite suitable. Fatty and Goon investigate the residence and discover a variety of weird sounds. It's just hilarious. Who is Mr. Fellow? Who are these traitors? Mr. Fellow, the ventriloquist, works for the cops undercover. He is kidnapped and tosses his doll out of the moving car in order to keep the secrets hidden. The clothing is hidden in a waterproof bag in the river by the ventriloquist's servant to prevent the doll from being stolen again. There are traitors out there who want to pull the country down with strikes and sabotage by stealing classified secrets. The find-outers, perplexed, delve deeper into this strange mystery. Who will be the first one to solve the puzzle? Mr. Goon or the find-outers? By coincidence, Goon discovers the bag, but misinterprets it as one of Fatty's ruses and stuffs the contents down Fatty's throat in rage. The clothing was soaked and the bag had sprung a leak by this point. The clothing is then stolen from Fatty's shed. But what good fortune! Buster has made off with one of the shoes, which happens to be the hollow-heeled one. What was hidden in the hollow of the heel of the shoe? What is the secret of the strange bundle? Will the find-outers be able to rescue the country from some of the country's most heinous traitors? To find the answers, you must read this fantastic book and assist the five get-outers in solving this mystery. Your responses can be written in the comments section. BookLuv recommends you to read this book. This video tutorial is intended to motivate you to get a copy of the book and read it. Do you want to discover more about the other fantastic adventures of the five find-outers? You can click the playlist for Find-Outers series button on your screen and watch the video of their other adventures. Goodbye, and happy reading!